Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello everyone, my name is Rashali Deshmukh and I'm studying in Zeal Polytechnic in the electrical department. I'm currently in third year and me and my teammates have made a project on, we have prepared a model on the light control system design, which works in an efficient way. So this is a basic introduction of what exactly we've done. Lighting control provides users with the ability to manage energy, consume and support the visual requirements. A basic commercial lighting control system will allow the end user to control the light output, illuminate specific areas when needed, and automatically reduce the lighting when a space becomes unoccupied. So these are the contents. The first is lighting control design requirements. The second is the lighting control. The third is the time scheduling. The fourth is occupancy control. Fifth is daylight harvesting. Sixth is personal control. Seventh is the building automation system. And eighth is the interior private offices or rooms. This is how an electrical system, lighting system works. Lighting control design requirements. The following is an overview of basic lighting control requirements and the device to consider during design, and is by no means an exhaustive code review. There are exceptions to certain control requirements, including 24-hour operation and security or safety concerns, among others. Time/astronomical scheduling. Lighting is in a defined area, turns on or off or dims based on the predetermined customizable schedule. Occupancy or vacancy control. In each zoned area of the building, lighting is turned on, off, or to a predetermined level based on the detected occupancy. With vacancy control, users must manually turn on lights, but lights are automatically turned off when a space becomes vacated. Often, room conditions may not require electric lighting, as in the case of a daylight office. In this type of situation, vacancy sensors are able to save energy that would otherwise have been automatically consumed if the occupancy sensor forced the lights on. For this reason, vacancy sensors are generally considered more efficient and therefore preferable to occupancy sensors. Drawing to the conclusion of perspective, vacancy sensors many versions of the updated codes. Daylight harvesting. Light levels are manually and/or automatically adjusted based on the amount of natural light in a space. Appropriate light levels are provided for functional purposes, and total illumination is maintained throughout the space. Different ways of harvesting daylight include continuous dimming of the lighting system, which is the most efficient way, pi or multi-level zone dimming, or switching, or a simple on and off controls provided for the lighting zones where ample daylight is expected. Task turning. Maximum light levels are set to be turned for a particular use or task in a specific room to prevent overlighting and to extend the life of the lighting system. Personal controls. Individuals can tailor the lighting in their workspace to their personal preferences and needs. This can be achieved by giving each user control over the lighting system in a granular way, or by employing a task or ambient lighting strategy and providing an individual task light at each workstation. Building automation system, which is BAS. The lighting control system can be connected to the BAS to use the occupancy sensors, as we discussed earlier what they are, to adjust mechanical set points. If multiple lighting control zones are provided in a single mechanism system zone, the lighting control system can accumulate the occupancy zones within the mechanical zone to refine the efficiency of the HVAC, that is high voltage AC system. Interior private offices or rooms. Occupants turn lights on and off by pressing a low voltage wall switch. A ceiling mounted vacancy sensor turns off the room lighting when the occupants forget it to turn off when they leave. Perimeter offices or rooms with adequate lighting. Occupants turn lights on and off by pressing a low voltage wall switch. This switch turns on the light to a level allowed by the photosensor that monitors the amount of daylight intensity at the associated workspace. A ceiling-mounted vacancy sensor turns off the room lighting if occupants forget to turn it off when they leave. These are the switches in dimmers. In the first picture you can see it's a on and off switch, and the second there are dimmers. The advantages of this lighting system is, first, they increase the life of the lamp. Second is that they save energy. Third is that you can easily set up the scenes. Fourth is that they are convenient. Thank you.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.